I want to ask you as a final question, what kind of impact has this narrative warfare had on this war as a whole, at least so far? Are people believing these rumors that are happening?
Yeah, unfortunately, many people are. I would say countless millions, and we can measure that through social media analysis tools as well, looking at the volume of posts and the volume of comments and replies believing this. Part of it is some people just don't have the level of media literacy that we need to understand how to research and how to assess content's reliability or authenticity. I don't entirely blame those people, but there are also people who are demoralized and subverted, and frankly, they want to believe the lies, whether they consciously know that or not. And the way that this impacts the war, as we saw even potentially last year in June with the 12-day war, is that if there is no public support or there is diminishing public support for military action, then that does, as an upstream effect, go downstream to our politicians, and it can affect policy and it can affect judgments in the actual kinetic battlefield of these wars. So we can see that when there is an onslaught of disinformation and a fog of war, excuse the pun, digitally speaking, it can affect how soon ceasefires are reached or how soon the tactics move from kinetic to diplomatic.
Great point. I think it also is applicable to the past 2 years or so since October 7th. We've seen such similar patterns in regards to Gaza. We saw with Al-Ahli Hospital, the bombing of that was hit by an Islamic Jihad rocket. Yet around the world, it was reported that it was, in fact, Israel. So the same things we're seeing in multiple wars. Definitely a tricky situation these days with the social media front. But unfortunately, we do have to end there. But I want to thank you, Travis, for joining us today and for all your insights on this important issue.
Thank you.